Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we are at the Brussels Motor Show and in this video we will check out the new BMW M3 Touring. And so this is a 2023 model competition touring with the xDrive. And in this video we'll check out the exterior, interior and also the boot space, which is the most important thing on this particular model, because you can get the M3 as a sedan or M4 as a coupe. Why would you get the M3 Touring? So basically you can get this because you like this design as a Touring, but most of the people I think will get it because of the added practicality and large boot space, which you can get with the Touring version of the BMW M3. So let me know in the comments which would you get, the sedan or the Touring here, or maybe the M4 Coupe. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. So this paint is BMW individual frozen black. Frozen in the BMW language means a matte paint, but still has this metallic effect, but it is matte paint, it's not metallic. So let me know how do you like this. I think this color really shines, as you can see here with the lights, and it's a very nice color, and I think it suits this car a lot. In general, these matte paints suits sporty cars quite a lot. Mirror caps are in carbon fiber, as you can see. Also we have shadow line package, so high gloss black details around the windows and just about everywhere. So here is the most important thing about this car, and this is the rear. So here you can see the design of the M3 Touring. So basically this is 3 Series Touring with the M3 enhancement, we can say. So let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about this model. And guys, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on all notifications so you're notified with the new episodes with the notification bell. So let me know your thoughts on this model. Definitely I'm curious to hear your opinion in the comment section down below. So the M3 Touring has a M-twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder petrol engine. The maximum output is 375 kilowatts or 510 horsepower, and the acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 60 miles per hour is only in 3.6 seconds, and the engine is mated to 8-speed M-Stepstronic transmission with drive logic. We have also xDrive with active M differential all-wheel drive system for this particular car. So let me know your thoughts about the performance in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so now we can check out the boot space, which is the most important thing on this specific Touring model. So you can actually open the boot in 2 ways. As you can see here, you can open only the rear glass, and if you need to bring and put or take something small or something light, like a small bag, something like that, you can only open, for example, the window. You don't need to open the whole rear tailgate. So I think this is something what other cars should also implement, because I think it's a useful thing, this opening mechanism where you can open only glass. So let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. And now we can open the whole tailgate. Alright guys, so now we can open the tailgate, the whole door, and we have 500 liters of boot space here, and that is 17.7 cubic feet. That is actually also 45 liters more than in the Mercedes C-Class Estate, and 5 more liters than in the Audi A4 Avant. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So the volume is measured up to the roller cover in the boot. If you load it up to the headliner, if you have a cargo net behind the rear passengers, then you have even more space, and that's also one of the benefits of the M3 Touring. So here we can see the wheels on this M3 Touring, and these are 19 and 20 inch wheels, so 20 inch in the back, and so here we can see rear wheel arches. They are quite out there in the M3 Touring, that's for sure. Let me know your thoughts on this design. And here in the back we have 20 inch, 285 30 ZR20, and these are Pirelli tires. And at the front we have a 19 inch, we will check out shortly. Also here at the front fender you can see M3 competition badge and this very nice design element. And these are also the double spoke M Jet Black wheels, also Pirelli tires at the front. So let me know your thoughts on these wheels. I think on the brake calipers should be M logo, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comment section down below. The front tire size is 275/35 ZR19, so 19 at the front and 20-inch at the back. And here you can see the price tag here in the Brussels. So now it's time to check out the interior, which also has some changes. In the M3 Touring, you can see the new display for the infotainment system and driver screen, and also you can see carbon fiber on the steering wheel and these very nice bucket seats. On the top we don't have the panoramic sunroof, so you can see here we don't have this at this particular model. And these bucket seats, they are very sporty. The design is really, we can say, out there. So let me know if you like these or what you would pick. So maybe you would pick the sport seats. Let me know in the comment section down below. So now it's time to hop inside and check out the interior of the M3 Touring. So the front is basically the same as in the M3 sedan. We all know this. So we can close the door and check out the interior. You can see the infotainment system, iDrive, BMW. And here are the bucket seats. Here we have these in black leather. So let me know your thoughts on this. This is a merino black leather. Merino means higher quality in the BMW. Also you can see gear lever in the black leather with the M colors and carbon fiber in the bucket seats. Very cool seats, and you can get these in different colors as well. So let me know how you like these. I think they are very nice, but also firm. You need to take this into consideration if you get these seats, of course. And here is the look of the front from the back, and this carbon fiber back of the front seats. How cool does this look? So now here we have the rear bench, so you can see how much room do we have, and shortly we will hop inside and we will check it out, how much room do we have for the legroom and also the headroom. So because we have the touring version, obviously the roofline is better for the headspace. Also here for the legroom you can see very nice space, so quite a spacious car, that's for sure, in this segment. And the carbon fiber is really gorgeous on the rear seats. Alright guys, so above my head I have about good 10 centimeters, like 4 inches. Good amount of the headspace, definitely, thanks to the being the touring version. So yeah, lots of space for the headroom, and overall really spacious as well. You can see the legroom and yeah, very spacious. Also you can fold rear seats 40-20-40, and here in the middle you have also hidden cup holders. These are also adjustable, as you can see, in this middle armrest, which you can fold out. And merino black leather in the back with ambient lighting. Let me know how you like the interior of the M3 Touring in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so that's it for the video of the new 2023 BMW M3 Touring. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe and turn on notification bell if you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.